Dear friends, welcome to Shasha's virtual classroom. So today we will work out problems from books of Trimetry. So in this lesson we will learn how we record books of Trimetry, how to prepare books of Trimetry. So this is a problem from David Hopkins. So Mrugatayat had the following transactions all on credit in March. So purchase goods from Ticolo for $10,000 less trade discount of 20%. Ticolo allowed him 5% cash discount. Sold goods from Snyman for $1,200 less trade discount of 10%. He allowed Snyman 4% cash discount. Purchase goods from Walters rupees 8,000 less trade discount of 10%. Walters allowed Mukadait 5% cash discount. Sold goods to Park for $2500 less trade discount of 10%. He allowed Park 4% cash discount. Snyman returned goods which had cost him $200. Returned goods which had cost $400 to Piccolo. Purchase goods from Burger for 7,000 less trade discount of 25%. Burger allowed him cash discount of 4%. Sold goods to Kodze for $3,000 less trade discount of 10%. He had allowed Kodze 5% cash discount. Purchase goods from Piccolo for $6,000 less trade discount of 20%. Piccolo allowed him 5% cash discount. Car get returned goods which had cost him 300. Return to Burger goods which had cost $1,000. Sold goods to Simon for 1,800 less trade discount of 10%. Mukotai allowed 5 Simon 5% cash discount. Receipt checks from Simon, Karg and Codes respectively in full settlement of their accounts. So accounts receivable are free and send checks in full settlement of their account to Piccolo, Walters and Burger. So then enter the transactions for March in Mukotai bills of payment and post them in good form to the proper account. The transactions should be dated, however, for the purpose of activity. Ignore the dates and post the transactions to the correct books, the correct journal, and the correct ledger accounts. So we should record this in the books of prime entry. So where should we record this? So what are the books of prime entry? Purchase goods, purchase register, sold goods, sales register, purchase register, sold goods. We have to record in sales register. Snyman return goods. So Snyman, who is Snyman? Obviously customer. So sales return goods which had cost to Piccolo. So return goods to Piccolo, purchase goods from this is purchases goods, purchase register. Sold goods to Kodze, sales register. Purchase goods from Piccolo, purchase register. Car return goods which had cost him 300. Car returned. Who is car? Car is so obviously it will be customer only. So sales return. Return to Burger. So purchase returns. Sold goods to Simon, sales register. So return received checks from Simon, Karg and Kodze. So we have to record in cash book for the payments and for the amount received and for the amount we have paid. So now we have to record it. So how do we record it? The first entry. So we'll record entry wise. So first entry, purchase goods from Ticolo for 10,000 less trade discount of 20%. So we don't record trade discount. So we never record trade discount. We have to record the transaction at net amount. So that is at 80,000. So 10,000 10,000 20% is 2,000. 10,000 minus 2,000 is 8,000. 8,000 we recorded in purchase purchase register. So purchase register Piccolo 8,000. Purchase register Piccolo 8,000. Okay. So similarly, next sold goods to Snyman for 1,200 less trade discount of 10%. So sold goods to Snyman. So we have to enter in sales register. So 1,200 trade discount of 10%. So sales register Snyman. So date particulars it is Snyman. Snyman sold this to Snyman for 1200 less than trade discount of 10%. Thousand eighty. So we have to record like this. So everything we have to record in each and every book respectively. So sales register will look like this. So Snyman 1080, Karg 2250, Hodze 2700, Snyman 1620. So you can see. So it is Snyman sold goods to Karg, sold goods to Kodze, sold goods to Snyman again. So four sales entries are there. So we have to record it in this particular style we have to record. So this is known as format or whatever. So we have to record in this particular way. So the transaction should be recorded in this particular format. So format is important. So then the next one we have to record in purchases. So we have done purchase one entry. So that's so then so purchases will look like this. So we have purchased from Ticolo, Walters, Burger, and again from Ticolo 4800. So we have to enter in purchase journal like this. So take some time to write it out. Then we have to enter in sales return register also. So sales return register, what do we write? So whatever sales we have returned, all those entries. So what is it? Let us see what is the sales return. So Snyman returned. Snyman we had sold to Simon. So Snyman returned, which had cost him 200. No, 200. So Snyman 200. So like this, similarly, we have to record all the sales returns. Snyman returned, um, Karg also returned, Karg also returned. So Snyman and Karg we have to enter. So the entries will look like this: Snyman 200, Karg 200, 300. So similarly, purchases also we have to record. Purchase returns also we have to record. So what are the purchase returns? Purchase returns are returned goods which had cost 400 to Ticolo. 400 to Ticolo means obviously Ticolo has given 20% trade discount. So which had cost him 400 means that is the net discount before discount, which had cost $400 to Ticolo. So that is before discount. So we have to take after discount and we have to record it after discount. So returns, purchase returns we have to record after discount. So it's not 400. So it is $320 and burger is 1000. So we have to record it net of discount. So we have to record in sales register, sales journal, purchase journal, sales return journal, purchase return journal. So we have to record in all these journals. Then ultimately we have to record in cash book for the payments made and received. So what are the payments that are made? So after doing all these entries we have passed. Purchase goods. So purchase goods from Ticolo we have passed. All these entries have been made. All these entries have been passed. So now last entry receipt from check, receipt checks. So we have to consider the discount also, the discount part, everything we have to consider. So let us make the working. So here it is. So Snyman, we had sold to Snyman worth this one. These are the returns. Total, again we had purchased, again we had sold worth this one. So total amount is 2500. So totally 2500. He has given a discount of, we have allowed him discount of 5%. So the discount amount is 125. So the net amount 2375 we will be receiving from him. So so I have made all the amounts, list of amounts. So these are all sales or purchases. So these are all sales. This is also sale. These are all sales returns. These are all purchases. These are all purchase returns. Again these are purchases. These are the cash discount. This is cash discount. This is cash discount. So this is percentage of cash discount and this is amount of cash discount. So the net amount ultimately received or paid is coming here. So we have to do like this. So first we calculate. So this is the amount, net amount. These are the amounts that are received and these are the amounts that are discount. So we have to write it. So where do you write? So all these three guys have paid. Three guys have paid. So how much they have paid and what is the discount? We have allowed them a discount. This is the discount we have allowed. This is the amount we have received. So all these amounts we have received. And we have paid these three people. These three people we have paid. and we have got discount. These are the discount values. If we calculate, so ultimately the payment, the amount we have paid. So this is how the cash book will look like. The amounts we have received from accounts receivable, the discount we have allowed, the cash we have received, the discount we have received, the cash we have paid. So this is what is cash book, and cash book will look like this. So this we have to record, and that is also done. So now what all we did? So we entered, we recorded, we prepared sales register, we prepared sales register, we prepared purchase journal, we prepared sales journal or sales register, sales journal we prepared, prepared purchase journal, we prepared sales return journal, we prepared purchase return journal, and we have prepared cash book also. We have prepared cash book also. So now what is left? So now we have to prepare ledger accounts. So what are the ledger accounts? We have to prepare all the ledger accounts of all the parties. So sales account. Sales account is always a credit balance. So we are not supposed to record each and every entry. We have to record the total. We have to record the total in sales account. So sales account we have to record the total. So first let us do the total. So this is the total of sales, total of purchases, total of purchases, sales returns, sales returns, purchase returns, sales. So how do we record? So come to ledger. So sales always is a credit balance by sales journal we have to record here. So how much is it? We have to record this here. So then sales return, sales return is reverse of to sales returns journal to sales return journal purchases account. Purchases is always debit. So to purchases journal. So total amount purchases journal. This is the total amount we have to record here. So remember, we should never record individual entries in purchases account. So we have to record the total. Then purchase return. Purchase return is reverse. So journal, purchase return journal. So we have to record like this. Now we have to record entries related to Piccolo. So how do we record entries related to Piccolo? So who is Piccolo? Piccolo is a customer. Piccolo is a supplier. His accounts payable. So we have to credit him. So purchase. Purchase we have to record Piccolo. So how much? Piccolo 8,000 4,800. So purchase return is also there. What is purchase return? Purchase return is 320. Purchase return is 320. So purchase return is 320. So then we have paid. So we have got some discount. Discount received is 624. So amount we have paid. Amount we have paid is cash. How much we have paid? So you can see the cash book. 11856. So we have to see here and then you have to record. So 11856. Now let us just check. So now if we add all this, so that will be okay. So finally we have paid everything. So this is how the each and every account will look like. So we have to make the we have to do the posting. So then accordingly we have to prepare all the ledger accounts. So now we'll prepare ledger accounts. So we have to see the transactions and then accordingly we have to prepare. So Ticolo we have purchased. We have purchased from Ticolo and there was purchase return of 320 and we have received a discount and ultimately we have paid. So this is how we have to record, seeing the debit side, credit side very carefully. Then Ticolo's account is over. Now we have to prepare Snyman's account. So Snyman is a customer. We have sold goods to him. So we have sold. We have returned also. So we have received. We have allowed a discount and we have paid. So what are the amounts? Sales, sales, sales return. So the discount allowed, cash. So Snyman's account is also done. So now Walter's account. Walter is a supplier. He is a accounts payable. We have purchased from him. So these are the purchases. We have received discount and we have paid cash also. So the discount we have received is 360 and cash we have paid is 6840. So we can see from the cash book. Then uh, again burger also we have purchased from burger. So 5000 to 250. So there are purchase returns as well. So we have received, we have paid cash to burger. So what is the discount? Is there no discount? There is a discount. So we'll just see. Then let us first finish this. So remember burger account. There is we have to record purchases. So then cards, carg. So we have sold goods to carg. So we have to enter sales. We have to prepare carg account. We have even made the sales return to him. So we allowed him discount. So we have to record that, and we have paid. We have received cash. So even that we have to record. Then cards account. He is a customer. We have sold him. So 2700, and we have allowed some discount, and we have received the balance amount from him. So done. So what is left? Burger account. We didn't give discount. Let us check whether we didn't we give discount. We received discount from burger or no. Burger. Yes, 170. We paid him 4080. Burger. We received discount of 170. We received discount of we received discount of 170. Received 170. So cash we have paid. So this is the amount of cash we have paid to Burger. Then which account is left? We have to prepare discount allowed and discount received. We have to enter discount allowed and discount received. So discount allowed from whom and all we have received. So let us see. Discount allowed. We have allowed discount to these three people. Receivables. We allow discount to account receivables only, right? So we allow discount to receivables only. So we allow discount to these three people, and discount allowed is always a loss expense. And what is the amount? Amount also we can just note down from here. What is the amount? These are the amounts. These are the discounts that we have allowed. So, and we have received discount from accounts payable. We have received discount. So we have to record here. So it is an income. So we will credit it. So who are the payables? Who are the accounts payables? These three are accounts payable: Ticolo, Walter, and Berger. Ticolo, Ticolo, Walter, and Berger are three are accounts payables. So we have received discount from them. So the amount is this. So the amount is this, this, and this. Okay. So this is how we have to see the chapter is very simple, but unless otherwise you do all these things, unless you do all these steps, your understanding will not be clear. Your understanding of the subject will not be clear, and ultimately will get stuck in accounts receivables, accounts payables, even the advanced entries, whatever are required. At that time, you get stuck. So they look very simple. So at least one or two problems you have to do. So kindly ensure that you do this problem without fail. So then this is done. So what I do is I will give this problem as assignment to you. So this is also from David Hopkins. So you can just try this problem on your own. So then, if you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comments. I will help you work out. I think you can do it on your own. So I am 100% sure. So please try and finish it. So we can move on to the next lesson. So this is very simple. So one or two problems are more than sufficient. So if you want, you can do this. So if you let me know as a comment in the comment section, I will definitely do it. Otherwise, I will assume that you have understood and it's very simple. So we'll move on to the next lesson. So next lesson is how to balance the accounts. How to balance the accounts. That is what we are going to learn in the next lesson. So till then, bye bye.